there really a difference between car audio? What level is the sound system of a car that costs hundreds of thousands? How to evaluate the audio system of a car? If you don't have answers to the above questions, after watching this video, I believe you will gain a new understanding of current car audio systems. Welcome to the AudioLab for the real car audio evaluation. Hello everyone, I'm Min. The past year has been a year of explosive growth for large six-seater vehicles. Whether it's rolling out self-developed audio brands or partnering with Harman, BO, Deviolate, N9 and other traditional brands, every manufacturer has fully demonstrated their top-tier expertise in the audio field. Our AudioLab program have tested over 100 new cars in the past 2 years and established a comprehensive objective plus subjective evaluation system. In this test, we selected 10 of the most popular six-seater models, with prices ranging from 200,000 yuan to over 500,000 yuan. Over the course of a week, we completed the pink noise test, uniformity test, and surround test in the objective testing, invited industry experts and hi-fi enthusiasts to conduct blind listening evaluations. After referring to the suggestions from engineers of various manufacturers and industry experts, the final score is calculated on a 100-point scale with the weight ratio of 5 to 3 to 2 in terms of importance for objective sound quality, subjective blind listening and music ecosystem. Therefore, this must be the most hardcore head-to-head comparison of six-seater SUV audio systems you'll see in 2026. In our objective testing section, the AITO N9 ranked highest, with its overall 3-frequency performance being relatively balanced. The low-frequency quantity and depth were particularly prominent, and the root notes of bass and cello in songs could basically be fully restored, rarely experiencing the issue of weak and shallow low frequencies. In pop songs, the vocal position is centered, with moderate thickness, and the high-frequency curve smoothly descends overall, ensuring linear restoration. However, affected by slight masking, the low frequencies on the right side are slightly stronger in the listening experience of the driver's seat, resulting in a slight asymmetry in the listening experience. At high volume, the low frequencies do not decay as cleanly and precisely, resulting in a slight loss of the layering of drum beats in fast-paced electronic music. This is also the main point where the AITO N9 loses points in our blind listening test. The Lynk&Co 900 is equipped with the Harman Kardon, which performs prominently in low-frequency quantity, has accurate sound field positioning, and offers almost no left-right deviation in the listening experience from the driver's seat. Guitar, piano, saxophone and other musical instruments intermediate frequency gene reduction benchmark. However, when playing large-scale symphonies, there is a slight deficiency in mid-frequency layering, separation, and high-frequency details, which is also correspondingly reflected in our subsequent blind listening test statistics. The ZEEKR 9X performs strongly in low-frequency extension and mid-frequency, with clear layering and separation. Its shortcomings are mainly reflected in the high frequencies that determine musical details, lacking in subtle instrument overtones and vocal details. Now we will announce the scores of 10 vehicles in the objective test. However, objective parameters are not the only factors in evaluating a set of audio equipment, so we invited a group of music lovers and hi-fi enthusiasts to our site for blind listening tests. In this subjective test, a notable anomaly is the significant discrepancy between the objective score and the subjective sound experience of the Tesla Model YL. The core reason lies in the sharply polarized blind listening scores for this vehicle model. Even after excluding the highest and lowest scores, there remains a score gap of nearly 50 points among the remaining valid samples. Just like Tesla's interior style, those who like it will be deeply fond of it, while those who don't get it really don't get it. Now let's announce the ranking of blind listening test results. The NIO ES8 offers a comprehensive music ecosystem. Its equalizer tuning mode is highly professional among current mainstream models, enabling precise adjustments to frequency, gain, and bandwidth, which makes it highly popular among audio enthusiasts. For most friends, it may have a certain threshold. Now, let's experience a relatively rare feature. In the custom tube effect plugin, you can change the overall sound timbre and texture by selecting different modes. When it comes to vehicles from Li Auto, people often think of large-sized entertainment screens, and the concept of a mobile cinema frequently mentioned at its product launches. When people talk about cinemas, what is often closely related to the experience is vision and hearing. Therefore, the highlight of supporting dual Dolby on the Li Auto i8 can greatly improve the movie viewing experience in the car. Although many car models now support the 7.1.4 channel layout of Dolby Atmos, but in terms of the abundance of audiovisual resources, it has not fully kept up in a timely manner. But on the Li Auto i8, we can see that double Dolby's film and television resources are relatively rich, and there are some currently popular films on the mainstream viewing platform of the rear entertainment screen. The zoning is also very clear. Besides Dolby, many Chinese car brands opt for audio vivid spatial audio when it comes to immersive sound solutions, and the VOYAH Titan is among them. Meanwhile, the audio source quality of the Titan model also offers multiple high bitrate options. The FULWIN T11 is equipped with a host of rare functional configurations in its class in terms of music ecosystem, such as AI intelligent sound tuning and microphone-free karaoke. It also supports audio vivid spatial audio for music resources, bringing more innovative features to the 200,000 yuan price range. The LS9 and Denza N9, equipped with branded audio systems BO and Devulate respectively, deliver their core experimental highlights through brand-exclusive tuning styles and sound effect modes, which can be adaptively optimized for different music genres. Let's announce the performance rankings in the music ecosystem. Finally, based on the criteria of newest, most competitive, and most popular, the final comprehensive scores of 10 high-end flagship 6-seater models with prices ranging from 200,000 to 500,000 yuan are shown in the figure below. Of course, these 10 vehicles are neither the end of large 6-seater SUVs nor the end of AudioLab audio testing. New players have queued up to enter the arena, and the old flagship will also undergo a facelift. Leapmotor D19, Li Auto L9 Levies, XPeng GX, VOYAH V9X, new AITO M9 and other new big 6-seat models are coming. We will also follow the rules of this comprehensive comparison to test every new model you are interested in and add them to the ranking list. By then, people can not only see the advantages and disadvantages of each car model, but also observe the progress of facelift models through the score gaps. What car models do you want to see compete and compare in the next test? Feel free to discuss it in the comments section now. We will continue to document the acoustic ambition of every car model, while using rigorous data and professional auditory judgment to uncover the truth behind the luxury of their audio systems. I'm Ming, see you next time.